Hi, this is Indranil and welcome to Business Bytes on our channel The Spotlight Beyond Profession, India's first online business news channel. And wish you all a very happy Independence Day. In today's Business Bytes, first news we have, Mankind Pharma will clear their debt for acquisition of BSV in next 3 years. Second news we have, OYO has registered 229 crore as net profit in last financial year. Third news we have, MSME lending firm Flexi Loans seeking to raise $35 million. Fourth news we have, Ecom Express on their second attempt to launch IPO for 2,600 crore. Fifth news we have, Swiggy will charge you more as their service fee. In first news today, Mankind Pharma will clear their debt for acquisition of Bharat Serum and Vaccine in next 3 years. Bharat Serum and Vaccine को acquire करने के लिए they have invested 13,630 crore, out of which they have taken a loan of 9,000 crore. Now Mankind Pharma की तरफ से ये बताया गया है, ये जो 9,000 करोड़ की लोन है, they will be clearing that in next 2 to 3 years time. Mankind Pharma ने recently Panacea के एक डिवीजन को भी परचेज किए थे एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस इज द सेकंड एक्विजिशन एंड दैट इज अ बिग एक्विजिशन ऑफ भारत सीरम एंड वैक्सीन. Mankind Pharma is very robustly present in rural India and tier 3 cities और भारत सीरम को एक्विजिशन के बाद they will be present in pan India market as well. Recently, in medical and in pharmaceutical industry, there is a robust growth in infertility and fertility segment. जबकि भारत सीरम के पास fertility segment से related बहुत strong products available हैं. So after this acquisition of Bharat Serum and Vaccine, Mankind Pharma will be having a robust footprint in pharma market and expecting a huge growth in this fiscal year. In second news today, OYO has registered a 229 crore as their net profit in last financial year. अगर OYO के बारे में बात करें, so OYO has been incepted in the year 2012 and SoftBank is the major investor in OYO. OYO ने एक बार पहले IPO के लिए फाइलिंग किए थे, but they have withdrawn their application and continuing as a private company. So OYO के बारे में अगर आज की वैल्यूएशन देखें, so they have a value of 2.5 billion US dollar. जबकि OYO की हाईएस्ट वैल्यू था 9 बिलियन US की. Very recently, they have raised 1457 crore as new funding. So after this 229 crore as net profit in last financial year, now OYO in startup world is another venture which is profitable. So this profit of OYO will be giving lot of positivity in the startup world and also to the world of investors who are majorly investing in startups and to the entrepreneurs. In third news today, MSME lending firm Flexi Loans is seeking to raise 35 million US. Flexi Loans के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, so they are presently in the valuation of 700 crore. जबकि ये नए फंड आने के बाद their valuation will go to 1,200 crore. फ्लेक्सी लोन ये नया फंडिंग को कैपिटलाइज करने के लिए यूज करेंगे फॉर लेंडिंग बिजनेस एंड दे आर द डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर गिविंग लोन्स टू एमएसएमईज. फ्लेक्सी लोन्स के बारे में अगर हम देखें, सो दे हैव रेज्ड द लास्ट फंडिंग इन द ईयर 2022 विद 30 मिलियन US. In fourth news today, Ecom Express on their second attempt to launch IPO for 2,600 crore. Ecom Express is a new age logistic firm and Ecom Express ने last 2022 में IPO के लिए propose किए थे, but they had withdrawn that proposal and this is their second attempt to launch IPO. Ecom Express आज की तारीख में एक अच्छा robust footprint marketplace में है in logistic business and they are launching their IPO after the recent launch of IPO of Unicommerce which has been listed with 117% on premium. So आज की तारीख में अगर अगस्त महीने की हम बात करें, so there have been IPOs like FirstCry, Ola Electric and Unicommerce and now Ecom Express in this logistic business segment is coming with their new IPO with a valuation of 2,600 crore. In fifth news today, Swiggy will charge you more as their service fee. Swiggy ने IPO के लिए propose किए हैं and so they are the IPO bound company. Presently, Swiggy का जो सर्विस चार्ज है that is applicable to the net value of your food item. जबकि अभी के तौर पे Swiggy will be charging their service fee on the gross value. ग्रॉस वैल्यू वो होता है जो आपके फूड के कॉस्ट प्लस जीएसटी प्लस पैकेजिंग कॉस्ट को मिला के होते हैं. सो प्रेजेंटली दे वर चार्जिंग ऑन नेट वैल्यू दैट वाज द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर फूड ओनली. So now they are going to charge the service fee on the gross value of your food. Swiggy is charging 17 to 25% of commission from the restaurants. और ये जो service fee है, that is been separately charged directly from the customers. So after this new rise of service fee, there must be certain proposal to raise the revenue and profitability for Swiggy. So these were the top 5 business news on Business Bytes in our channel, The Spotlight Beyond Profession. Thank you very much for watching Business Bytes and Jai Hind.